the dawn of our choice. The future unfolds from the decisions we make today. Every action, every thought, is a brushstroke on the canvas of our collective destiny. We stand at a crossroads, with the power to shape a future full of promise. Let us choose wisely, guided by eternal values that light the way to a brighter tomorrow. The future is not something that happens to us, it is something we create together. If you like this content, I invite you to leave a like and subscribe to the page. Activate the bell and share. Pillars of a brighter future. Wisdom is the compass that guides us toward conscious action. It is the ability to learn from the past, understand the present, and visualize a better future. Respect is the basis of a harmonious society. It means valuing the dignity of each individual, appreciate the interconnectedness of all beings, and treat our planet with care. When we act with respect, we create a world where everyone feels seen and valued. Happiness is not simply the pursuit of pleasure, it is a deep sense of well-being that comes from living according to our values. True happiness is found in connection, purpose, and compassion. Peace is not simply the absence of conflict, it is the presence of justice, understanding, and empathy. It is about resolving conflicts peacefully and building bridges of communication and understanding. Living our values. Integrating these values into our lives does not require grand gestures. Small conscious actions can create a domino effect. Practice wisdom by taking time for reflection and learning. Cultivate respect by listening carefully to others and treating everyone with kindness. Nourish happiness by practicing gratitude and finding joy in the simple things. Promote peace by engaging in constructive dialogue and seeking peaceful solutions. And let love be your guiding principle. Love for humanity, for our planet, and for future generations. Choose actions that benefit everyone, not just yourself. A tapestry of hope. Imagine a world where wisdom guides our decisions. Respect governs our interactions. Happiness permeates our lives. Peace reigns supreme, and love join us. This is not a utopia. It is the future we can create if we choose to act with intention and compassion. Every act of kindness, every moment of understanding, every decision rooted in wisdom contributes to this tapestry of hope. Let us be the generation that chooses love over hate, understanding about division, and wisdom over ignorance. Our shared destiny. The future is not predetermined. It is a canvas awaiting our collective art. Let us take our brushes, let us dip them in the colors of wisdom, respect, happiness, peace, and love, and let us paint a masterpiece worthy of future generations. Our destinies are intertwined. Let's weave a future where everyone has the opportunity to prosper, where our planet flourishes, and where peace and happiness prevail. The time to act is now. Let us embark on this journey together, with open hearts and unwavering determination. The future is in our hands.